So in this video, I'll be showing you how to pair your Redmi Buds 6 to your Android phone. So the first step is to install the Xiaomi Earbuds app. And to do that, begin by opening the Google Play Store. And then from here, you want to use the search function and you want to type in Xiaomi Earbuds. You should see it listed in the search results, so tap on it to view the app information and ensure that the company that you're seeing at the top is the same one that you're seeing on my phone, so Beijing Xiaomi Mobile Software. So once you've confirmed that it's the correct app, tap on install and wait for it to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been installed, you want to tap on open to launch it. Then from here, you want to read through the terms of condition, and then you want to confirm that you are okay with all of these agreements, and then you want to tap on agree. Once you've done that, it will automatically detect your region. Now with the Xiaomi Buds, you may have problems connecting with the region. So if you've chosen your region and it's not connecting, then you want to select the region and look for Mainland China. Like that. So once you've ensured that Chinese mainland has been selected, you want to tap on next. Then from here, you'll be told from what services you'll be experiencing with the app. So firmware updates, noise cancellation, find earphones, in-ear detection. Then you want to tap on next. So after that, you'll be prompted to confirm that you want to allow Xiaomi earbuds to find and connect to any nearby devices. So tap on allow. Then from here, you want to now tap on add earphones. And then you'll need to grant permission to your location. So tap on agree. And then you'll maybe need to confirm whether you want it precise or approximate and confirm. So once you've done that, you want to now open the case of your Xiaomi Buds and then remove them from the case, and you want to remove this tape like that. So once that tape has been removed, then you'll notice that your earbuds have now been detected. So you want to tap on it from the list. If you can't see it in the detection settings, then you want to scroll down and select it from this apps list, from this devices list. So look for your Xiaomi Buds 6 and select them from the list. So tap on them and then wait for the connection to be established. So ensure that the buds are in the case, like that. And then also ensure that they're close to your device. So now wait for the connection to be established. And then if you're having troubles adding the earphones, then you want to close the case. And then you want to open it again. And then ensure that this light is blinking, and then select it from the list again and wait for the connection to be established. So then you need to confirm the Bluetooth pairing request. So tap on pair. And then from here, you can now see that the Redmi Buds 6 have been successfully paired with my Android phone. So now I can see the battery level of the case as well as the buds, and I have these additional features that I can use to control my buds. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.